Ladies and gentlemen, Chris Bassett here, and I just wanted to share with you a little bit of the success that I've been having lately and why that is. So you can see, like, my hard work's paid off. Publishing has helped my channel get 101 more views than usual. So I'm pretty excited about that. You can see the graph spikes here. But this is my channel analytics on my YouTube channel, and you can see I've been consistently uploading shorts over time, and that's really led to some pretty decent numbers and stuff on the channel. So I'm super psyched about that. And, I was looking into using like a shorts creator automated tool, and they all want you to pay a subscription. So with Chat GPT, Grok, and myself learning software development, I did create a shorts clipper. And so I'd just like to show you that real fast, how that works. I do have this for sale, so this is a sales pitch. So I'll have that all included. But in the bundle, you'll get some credits, which is the tools that I use to build the shorts clipper, and then a README text, which is basically like the instruction manual. But it's super simple. We'll just go over it right now, and then the actual application. So I'd like to double click that, and the way it'll work is it'll download to your machine, and you'll get access to everything. So this window here is kind of like it'll tell you what's happening at the time that it is happening. So if you're curious about debugging or anything like that, if you're a tech guy or tech gal, but if not, it'll go ahead and launch the shorts here, and it'll prompt you with welcome to Shorts Pro. You can start clipping. So it has several features. You'll punch in, it says YouTube URL, but it could be any video format. So you punch that in, and then you can choose a theme depending on the video's theme. So if you have, like instructional, humor, vlog, gaming, general, choose a theme, and then you can choose the clip length. Generally, shorts work best between like 15 to 60 seconds. And then if you hit the settings tab, you can choose different fonts. So you have different fonts to choose from. You can choose the size of the font and the color of the font. So it will automatically put captions on the short. Research has showed that shorts with captions, people watch it up to like 95 double. They watch double the time if there's a caption on there, because a lot of people watch it on mute. You can change the aspect ratio of the video, so it'll clip your long form content into a short form. So you can either have it like 16:9, which is the vertical format, like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or Instagram is 1:1, or if you want to keep it flat, like the original, wider shot is 9:16. And then if it is quiet, you can volume boost it. But let's go ahead and do we'll do a clip. I'll just show you how it works. So over on my channel, I'm just going to go back to a video. I'll just pick the URL from my door repair video, share it, and then we'll copy the URL. And we'll go back to Shorts Clipper. We'll paste that in. So Control V for paste. Oops, there we go. And then it is instructional, so most of my videos are teaching something. So you just hit start clipping. So down here, you can see the it'll be doing letting you know what it's doing. Also on the window here, it'll also give you an idea of what it's doing. So right now it's downloading the video, and then it'll convert the video into an audio file. So if you don't have words in your video, it'll have a harder time, understanding where to clip. So make sure it does all languages. So it doesn't matter if it's English or Spanish or whatever, but it will need clear words to make an accurate clip. Otherwise, it'll probably have a hard time clipping. But then it'll transcribe the audio, and it will look for keywords and clip that depending on what's the most informational or instructional or whatever. It'll clip those sections. So it will make 5 clips per video, and you could put multiple videos in here. So like say you want to batch create, it just says separate the URLs with commas. I haven't tested the maximum videos, but you could go away. You could clip 5 videos, go away for a while, and then come back and then have all the short form videos created. So, so that's pretty easy. That way you can go do something else. But here, okay, it's detecting English language, and it'll then transcribe the audio, and then it'll start creating shorts. So it does take a minute or two, and it will use. It's not like held on a server or anything else. It's on your PC. So your PC will be doing the work. You can hear. I don't know if you can hear, but I can hear my computer's a potato, so, so it's spinning up and it's making a lot of noise. The fans are definitely kicked on. And so you can see there it created short number 1, short number 2, it's creating number 3, number 4. And you can also see down here it's saying creating shorts. And then when it's done, it'll give you a green light or a go. So we're on number 5. So it doesn't take too long to download the video and do it. Okay, so there we go. So now it says done, check shorts instructional. So we can close it out. And here's the file. Click on that, and then so in your file it'll show up with the this is your shorts clipper. This is the transcribed document, so you can delete that if you want. It just shows the what words were spoke on the video. Click on your and there's all your shorts. So it has the full video, it has the transcription, and then it has the shorts. So we'll take a look at this one. So whether your door won't close or if it won't open, I'm going to go into a couple general places to take a look and see. You want to start off by removing this 15mm nut. That way you can gain access to the door panel. This is what holds the seatbelt shoulder restraint in place. So pretty simple. Clips it out, and then you can upload that to your channel or TikTok or whatever you're doing. So back on my YouTube channel, I just say, create a video, upload a video, select a file, and then find your shorts, where your shorts clipper's at, Shorts Clipper Pro, shorts instructional, and there's all the shorts. So pretty simple. And then what I've been doing is I've been scheduling this. So when you do the upload video process, you can then schedule it for dates ahead. So like if I go to my shorts, see how it says scheduled time. So we're up to March. So I better this weekend I'm running down to the last couple videos. So I'll go this usually Sunday. I go ahead and schedule out the entire week and just upload a bunch of mass produce a bunch of shorts. Schedule them that way for the next week. I don't have to work. So pretty simple. So yeah, if you guys are interested, I'd really appreciate checking it out and see what you think. I've been selling it on PayHip, so payhip.com/ChrisBassettTV, and there's my beautiful face. But I'll put a link in the description, and you can click on it, come over and get started. So yeah, just go ahead and buy it, click it, buy it, and appreciate that. When you do upload it and everything, you may get a Windows notification saying like security or something. I didn't want to pay the $500 for a licensing fee, but trust me, it's safe, it's good to use. I'm not putting malware on your computer or anything, but yeah, I just didn't want to pay the licensing fee for the professional Windows whatever. But it does work on other systems as well. It works on Linux, it works on the other one. But yeah, all right boys, there you go. So yeah, check it out. Really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below if this is interesting or something you may be interested in or anything else. So thanks all. See you later.